A very good morning to all. I am Chandrakant Tolwani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, LBNA Mahila Mahavidyalaya Yavatmal. Every year on the 5th of June, we observe the World Environment Day. And these 2 years have been very tough for all of us. Since we were supposed to plan a visit to the environment site this year, but due to the pandemic, we are unable to organize any visit to any environment site physically. So this year we have decided to arrange a virtual visit to a very energetic environment site. So in this video, we are going to show you some important trees, their uses, their benefits to the environment, and to be very specific, the efforts of two very important persons behind making this project a very successful one. Two very important persons I am talking about when they took up this social cause 4 years back. One is our respected principal sir, Dr. Durgesh Kunte sir, along with Mr. Santosh Ghore sir, who is an assistant professor at the Department of English, LBNA Mahila Mahavidyalaya Yavatmal. So they started this journey 4 years back when they took up this initiative of planting more than 40 trees in the college premises. They planted these trees. They have been taking care of these trees since then. They themselves take care of these 40 trees. Eventually, a few more hands join them in this social cause. So today, we have requested Mr. Santosh Ghore sir, who is going to take us to this virtual visit today. He is going to tell us which trees they have planted, the names of these trees, their uses, their benefits, and what maximum benefits we can derive, and what benefits to the environment they are giving, and their efforts, how do they take care of these trees. Each and everything we are going to experience today. So I hope and I'm sure you are going to enjoy this video. I don't take much of your time, and I request Santosh Ghore sir to please take us to this visit. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your kind introduction, Tolwani sir. Now we start our journey of EVS virtual tree. The first tree is known as Margosa tree. The Marathi name for this Margosa tree is Kadunin tree. As we know, this has got immense medicinal value, and in Ayurveda, this tree has been calculated as the most important tree. The juice of this tree is helpful in removing the heat, and this can be also used for pesticides. And the most important thing, on various skin diseases, the juice of this tree is very much important. Now we come to the next important tree, the bamboo tree. Actually, bamboo tree is not actually a bamboo tree. It is a type of grass. It's a sort of grass, the longest grass ever. This is very much useful in providing oxygen. One bamboo tree can produce 350 kgs of oxygen per year, and we know humans need only 250 to 280 kg per year. This is much more than the humans need. The next tree is the king of fruits, that is mango tree. This has got immense commercial value, and you know, this has got even medicinal value. This is full of iron. When we take juice with milk, that juice, mango juice with milk, that is mango shake, it will provide you iron a lot of. The next tree is the marking nut tree. The Marathi name of this tree is Biba. it is very much useful in medicine. And the most important thing, if you use it on your swellings, some injured part, it will help you eliminate the swelling. But most important thing, this can be harmful because some people are infectious to this. If you use this, there may be a great itching and some wounds may be there. The next tree that I want to tell you about is the wood apple tree. This is a wood apple tree. In Marathi we know this as kavat. It is very much useful in making chutneys. It is very tasty, and the most important thing, it will improve your C vitamin and it will increase your immunity. The next important tree is Java plum tree. In Marathi we call it Jambud, Jambhalache Jhad. You know, Java plums are very much important and useful for diabetic patients. If they eat the seeds of Java plum tree, then their sugar will be reduced. And the most important thing, the juice of this is very much helpful in improving your immunity. The next important tree is Godad. In English it is known as livestock tree. This tree is very much useful in attracting birds. Parrots are specially attracted towards this tree. The delicate leaves of these trees are very much useful in eating for parrots and the other birds. The next tree in our list is peepal tree. This has got immense national value. You know, the highest civil award, Bharat Ratna, is conferred on the background of this leaf. And this tree is immensely important for Buddha religion people because Lord Buddha got enlightenment under this tree. And that is why this tree is very much religious for all over India. This tree is also a religious tree. This is known as fig tree. In Sanskrit, Audumbar, or in Marathi, Umbrache Jhad. This has got immense religious value. The Hindus believe that Lord Datta resides in this tree. And the figs are very much useful and medically important for the patients who are lacking iron. The next important tree is the curry leaf tree. We call this tree in Marathi Kadhi Patta or Godlimba. This tree is immensely useful for cooking. Every housewife in India loves this because without the leaves, the cooking is not so delicious as it should be. The leaves are used in every curry, every sorrel, in every item generally they cook. These leaves are very much rich in iron and they help you in building your body nicely. I hope you have enjoyed this virtual environmental tour. Now I must tell you that we have planted more than 50 trees. And you know, to water these 50 plants every day is not a joke. There are certain hands behind this and certain institutions who always guide me and inspire me to go for such social venture. The first and foremost thing is our management. Yavatmal Education Society management. I must refer the first name, that is the President, Diwakar Rao Pandey sir, who is always instrumental in inspiring me in going for such social ventures. The next name in the list is the Honorable Secretary Chandrakant Ranade sir, who has positively suggested the things and he has inspired me to go for this. The next important name is Advocate Uday Pandey sir. He always comes and suggests and he supervises the things. The next important name in the list is the Principal, Dr. Durgesh Kunte sir. He has arranged everything for me. He has arranged the pipeline to water the plants. The 50 trees are on the basis of that piping. The next important name in the list is the most successful entrepreneur and the industrialist, Devendra Goyal, who is a close associate and a very good friend of Kunte sir and all our staff members. He always stands behind us and he always guides us. And the most important thing, if we need anything, we ask for it and he just fulfills all our demands. The next important name in the list is Assistant Professor Chandrakant Tolwani, who is as towering as his work. He always works and he always stands behind me to go for watering and anything I need. Now we come to the next important name. He is Assistant Professor Swapnil Ramteke. He speaks very less but he works a lot. The speciality of this man is that he keeps mum and just keeps doing all the work. He is always there when I need him. The next important name in the list is Satish Deshpande sir. He is always there to plant trees, he is always there to water the plants. Then comes Assistant Professor Dhaneshwar Gatkar sir. He is always there to plant the trees, and whenever I call him, he is there at my call. Once again, the next important name in the list is Virat Ghude sir. He is always there. Whenever no one is there, he just comes and just tries to pump 50 buckets every day. He is such a great help. Then I must mention the names of my students, BA final year. Neha Chauhan, Shivaranjali Adpawar, Naina Datarkar, Sandhya Mohot, so on, so forth. They always help me. Now, I must mention the names of my English batch students. The first name that comes to my mind is Saket Bhoyer, then Divyanshu Bhoyer, Mrunal Kunte, Sharvari Deshmukh, Shavni Pachkhede, Angad Inglekar, Pooja Ladkhedkar, Aditya Ladkhedkar, and the most important thing, Shavni's father Amol Pachkhede. Let me tell you about him. His one leg is injured in an accident, and still he comes and waters the plant. It's also the time to thank those names which I could not mention. They also help me directly and indirectly. So if I miss any name, please forgive me. The most important thing, this is a social project, and on this social project, I would like to make a mention that you must take an oath to plant at least one tree and help our environment grow richer and richer. This is Santosh Gore, Department of English, Loknayak Bapuji Mahila Vidyalaya, signing off this session. Thank you very much.